Hello and welcome back to Southside Miniatures. I have made a Art Deco coffee table for Maxwell House, because Maxwell House is going to be a Art Deco house now, because the owners went away on holiday and they started visiting places what are Art Deco. And they got to like it and love it. So they rang the company up who's doing the work in Maxwell House, and was told the company to ring us and us workers up to change it from a modern house to an Art Deco house. So I did make a coffee table that is Art Deco, but there again, because I did film it, but where I had half a dozen things going on at one time, and I got a bit confused, and with my speech, and I got a bit, and that is messed up as well. So sorry I didn't film it for you. But I will show it to you, and I will show it like sorry, and that is in my hands, and and I will show you on a Lazy Susan, and this is the Art Deco coffee table that I've made, and as you can see, it does sit pretty good on the table. It's nice and sturdy, and and I did cut the circle out of basswoods, and it's 2 mil thick, and then I glued 2 bits together, and then to give it the round table top, and I did cut 4 bits of 6mm a dowel, and that is square, and I put skirts on it, as you see, and then I painted the bottom and the top black and gold legs, and put a gold trim around the edge. Yes, and what I'm going to do is just hold it up, up to the whiteboard, as you can see, and sorry about the lighting, because the sun keeps on going in and out of the clouds and all that, and because it's a lovely day today. It's a bit windy, but it is nice. So what I'm going to do now is put it on Lazy Susan and show you, and then show you on that. Okay, we've got the table on Lazy Susan, as you can see. Thank you for watching our video, and then if you do like this video, if you could please subscribe and push that like button, and if you need to get in contact with us, you can get in contact with us on southsideminiatures@gmail.com. Yes, it does help us out a great deal, and if you do subscribe, and then it makes us feel wanted. I know, but it does. It does help us out quite a lot. So thank you for watching this video, and speak to you in the next one. So please stay tuned to this channel.